Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abdalghali Abdallah. I'm IT student at University of Mohammed here, Pro Quarter 2024. So today I'm gonna explain how to install Windows inside Windows using VirtualBox. So now let's start. Go to New, click New, then from new here we can see like let's name it first. Give it name, let's say okay, we already given name, right? So where we're gonna save this file, everything is okay here. I already make file. Let's go inside here. Okay, let me make new file. Go folder, renew the folder. File. Okay, we are doing well here. I'm gonna choose this folder. Okay, other, the folder that we just make it. Okay, select. Good. Then about the file of the Windows, already I downloaded, so I just need to put it. Let's go other. This is the window, you see Windows 7 home. I already downloaded, so install it. Okay, wait, open. Go ahead. Everything here is okay. What you need to do, Windows 7 home here already. Nice. We have here error. Let's check it. It's we need password. Everything here is okay. Like if you want to add something or anything like that, but here we need password and username. Let's use username, for example. Let it here, and password, let's say only 1 2 3 4, for example. Confirm password 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, this is RAM and other things. Where they choose, I just choose 1 GB and nothing else from RAM, because my device only have 6, so I need some RAM. Here I can choose it, and I just choose, as you see here, 2 GB. Let's do not 1, 2 is better. Okay, let's go finish. Now we have here like all the details, as you see, the memory, storage, and everything here. This is our Windows is turn power off right now, as you see, writing power off. Stay here loading, so we are not gonna wait for a long time. Yeah, already now our Windows is installing. As you see, Windows is loading file. The file is loading, so we almost finished installing Windows 7. My Windows that I choose it is Windows 7. Okay, I think this is gonna take long process, so just let's wait, or I'm gonna skip the video editing. Now here start. See, start Windows now here. All this you can see, this is inside Windows. This you see Windows 7 inside my Windows. I actually use Windows 10, and this is Windows 7. So now it's starting. It's gonna take a little bit long time because the file is a little bit big. So yeah, we will wait for this until finished. While it's doing, like, let's give you some information, or like why I choose Windows 7, because my Windows is not enough anyway. Yeah, we are doing well now here. It's 1% now, so we should wait to complete it until 100%. Okay, This is after complete like the computer. So our computer is almost run. Okay, starting Windows. The Windows 7, I still remember this long time ago. I used to use Windows 7. Okay, well, starting Windows. I think it's gonna take a long time also as well. So I think, yeah, we should make it faster or skip or anything like that. Later I will cut or do anything like that. So no need to take a very long time because it's gonna take around 1 minute. Oh, I think it's already almost done. We need to do that to wait for it until finished. That's only WhatsApp notification, so don't worry about it. The reason why I choose because my laptop can't record, so that's why I use my own phone to record this as well. You can make the video faster if you can't wait, but I still waiting here. Because I don't want to edit any video, or let's see, maybe later I'm gonna edit, I don't know after. Okay, nice. Welcome. As you see, Windows 7 start. It will take a long time, so I'm gonna skip this part.
So now
here our Windows is already open, Windows 7 as you see. So let's start, see some like to make sure this is Windows 7, but it's already Windows 7. Come here, like, okay, documents, videos, for anything. You can see here computer.
Let's say
computer.
Computer here.
So as normally we use Windows, so I do have here the RAM and anything I choose it. One Core i3. This is actually my real device, so it's become okay. 32 that I choose it also. Okay, we see everything is clear, Windows 7, everything. Then the next. Okay. Go back. Then. Okay. Go again to check, refresh again. And then. Okay, then thank you. I think I already explained everything, and I will make and leave some reference. You can check in my bio. Thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.